にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today is the second video of onomatopoeias. In the first video, I told you that onomatopoeias in Japanese we say onomatope, onomatope, and there are two big categories, and they are Gyongo and GITAIGO. But today I'm going to explain you more in detail. In the category of Gyongo, actually there are two. And in GITAIGO, there are three. So actually, there are 5 types of onomatopoeias in total in Japanese. In the category of Gyongo, there are two. This one, Gyongo, here it means the sound. And Giseigo, this is koe. This is the voice. Gyongo is the word that represents the sound of the nature or the sound of the inanimated objects, the things that don't have any lives. Some examples of Gyongo, such as the rain, when the rain falls down, that sound, and also the wind blows, hue, and this sounds too. Or, for example, the clocks, tick-tock, this is Gyongo. The examples of this Giseigo, the language that imitate the sound of the voice. For example, nya, nya, wow, wow, kokekoko. And in the category of GITAIGO, there are three. In the first, GITAIGO, and this is the language that imitates the condition or the state. For example, kirakira, gira, giyogo. This second kanji, yo, this means appearance. So giyogo is to describe the movements of the human beings and also the animals. For example, buru buru or nika nika. Gijogo, this jo, it means our feelings, emotions. So gijogo, to express our feelings. For example, oh, イライラ、イライラ。Or ワクワク、ワクワク。These are 5 categories. But anyway, we can say usually 2 big categories, Gyongo and GITAIGO. But you can also say onomatope, and it means all. Today, we are going to learn PikaPika in katakana and also in hiragana. You can use both ways. And PikaPika, this is GITAIGO. This is the state of the things. We can use PikaPika in 3 different conditions. But the first of them, PikaPika, is something that is shining. This meaning of the shining conditions, then this is quite similar to Kirakira. Kirakira that we learned in our video Onomatopoeias number 1. Right? So Kirakira, this is the shining things. PikaPika is also shining things. Then what's the difference? This onomatopoeia PikaPika, this is quite similar to this verb. Hikarimasu, to shine. Hikarimasu. Hika, almost the same, but with the circle, maru. PikaPika. So this is shining, something that is shining. The way how to shine is different in Kirakira and in PikaPika. In the case of Kirakira, this is that reflects the light. For example, hoshi, this is stars. Stars are twinkling. This is hoshi ga kirakira shiteiru. Examples with Kirakira, spankoru. Spankoru is this one, spangles. We also use Kirakira for precious stones. 宝石。宝石がキラキラしています。And any types of accessories. アクセサリー。アクセサリーがキラキラしています。So when we use キラキラ, this is something that reflects the light and they are shining. But when we use PikaPika, then I think you can understand much better using this verb. 点滅する。点滅します。This verb, 点滅します。This means the light that blinks. So when we use PikaPika, it means this thing has its own lights inside. And this blinks quite intensively, so strongly. To understand better this Pika Pika, maybe you can imagine Pikachu. I think you know Pikachu. This is in Pokemon, Pocket Monster Pokemon, and Pikachu, this creature, this yellow-colored creature that blinks, that shines. The name of Pikachu comes from two onomatopoeias. One is Pika, this part, Pika Pika, Pika Pika, that is so shining. The word Pika Pika that we're learning today. And Chu, this is the sound that the mouse makes. Choo, 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 choo. This one, so Pikachu. And also when Pikachu brights himself and he says, Pika Pika. So we use Pika Pika when the strong lights come from this object, so it is shining. Then Pika Pika. For example, we can use Pika Pika with Denkyu. Denkyu, it means light bulb. Fluorescent tube, Keikoto. We can also use with Pika Pika. When we use Pika Pika, it doesn't matter how to shine, but Kirakira and Gira, this is specifically what kind of shines. The second meaning of Pika Pika, this is it. In this case, it doesn't emit any lights actually, so it is not shining, but it looks like shining because this thing is so clean, without any dirtiness, so clean. Ooh, how nice. Oh, how clean. So it looks like it's shining. This is Pika Pika. But in this meaning, Kirakira doesn't have any kind of this meaning. Look at this part. It's like it's shining, right? But actually it doesn't emit any light. Only this is very clean, so clean without any dirtiness. So we can use this part is Pika Pika. The vocabulary part, we say nabe. Or with respect, we can use with onabe, pot. This pot is super clean. このお鍋はピカピカです。このお鍋はピカピカです。We can use pika pika as a noun or also like na adjective. For example, pika pika na onabe. Or also like adverb, pika pika and the verb. And in many occasions we can use with ni, pika pika ni. After pika pika ni comes the verb. In this case, migakimasu. Migakimasu means to polish. So if I say pika pika ni migakimasu, it means I polish it till it shines a lot. For example, we can use this noun kutsu, shoes. I polish the shoes till they shine. 靴をピカピカに磨きます。靴をピカピカに磨きます。I'm gonna make my kitchen so clean and shiny. The vocabulary, the kitchen. We say 台所. But the other word, it's like in English, kitchen. In katakana, kitchen. You can use both 台所 or kitchen. In my grammar video number 97, I explained about this grammar. にします na adjective or the noun. にします it means I make something to be in this state of this adjective. So if you don't remember it, you can watch my video number 97 of grammar. 台所をピカピカにします。台所ピカピカにします。頑張るぞ。Before New Year's Day, I'm gonna make my windows super clean and shiny. お正月の前に窓をピカピカにします。お正月の前に 窓をピカピカにします。I used in this sentence this grammar. Dictionary form 前に or the noun の this particle の前に it means before something. And if you want to know more about this grammar, you can watch my grammar video number 86. After cleaning, the room became so clean, super shiny clean. 掃除した後、部屋がピカピカになりました。掃除した後、部屋がピカピカになりました。After something, た後、the verb in た form and た後 or た後で、た後に。All of these things I explained in my grammar video number 93. I cleaned the fridge, and I made it super shiny clean. 冷蔵庫を掃除してピカピカにしました。冷蔵庫を掃除してピカピカにしました。Other things that we can make it super clean is, for example, toilet, bathroom. It's very important to be very, very clean. So, toilet, we use also pika pika. And megane, this is glasses. It's very important because if it's dirty, we can't see it very well. So megane, glasses, very important to be very pika pika. The third meaning of pika pika, well, this is a little bit difficult to explain. This is the new experience of something really new and very happy. We use pika pika. In this meaning, we use like this. Pika pika no 1年生. Pika pika no 1年生. Well, 1年生, this means the boy or the girl of the first grade of the school. So this is 1年生. And we say pika pika no 1年生 because for this boy, this is the first time that go to school. So this is so new experience and everybody's so happy. So pika pika no 1年生, the boy or the girl of the first grade of the school. Pika pika no 1年生. My grandson is gonna be the first grade student next year. 孫は来年ピカピカの1年生になります。孫は来年ピカピカの1年生になります。Now let's see other onomatopoeias, and it's very similar to pika pika. This one is Picato or picarito. This is adverb. Picato, picarito. We use this when something flashes so strongly, intensively, or sparklingly. A bolt of lightning flashed. The vocabulary 稲妻 稲妻 This is lightning. 稲妻がピカッと光りました。稲妻がピカッと光りました。So the difference between pika pika and Picato, and this is pika pika, this state of shining is longer, and Picato is just only 1 second or just so momentaneously. Picato. I guess now you know what's the difference between Kirakira and PikaPika, right? So let's try a quiz with 4 translations into Japanese. Sometimes it's quite difficult to translate exactly in English the same way, but what I want is please use the onomatopoeias in these 4 sentences. 1番目 I cleaned the windows, but I made the windows so shiny and clean. 2番目 I polished the pot till it gets so shiny and gleamy. 3番目 The toilet of this hotel is always so bright and shiny. 4番目 最後です。頑張ってね。Tonight, the stars are twinkling so shiny. I hope you liked this video. If so, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that can help me a lot. Please. I'll go on loading up more videos so that you can learn Japanese as easy as possible and as right and correct way as possible. My wish for the next year, for this new year, is that we can be all healthy and go on trying that our dream comes true. I hope you could help me with my this YouTube channel to be bigger. いかがでしたか？今日もオノマトペを勉強しました。特にピカピカを見ましたね。そしてピカピカとキラキラの違いも見てきました。そしてピカピカとピカッとこの違いも勉強しました。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。日本語を勉強なさっている方に少しでも役に立てるようなビデオをこれからも引き続いてアップしていきます。できる限り皆さんが簡単に日本語を勉強できるようにこれからも頑張っていきます。ですから私のことを応援していつもここに見に来てくださいね。もうお正月はすぐそこですよね。来年も私たちみんな健康で、そして夢に向かって突き進んでいくことができますように。では、良いお年をお迎えください。